Hello, I'm Brittany. I'm going to be talking about how to make a crispy and juicy chicken. Have you ever tried to make a crispy and juicy breaded chicken for dinner? Was it crispy but not juicy, or juicy but not crispy? I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions for how you can make the chicken perfectly crispy and juicy. I wanted to share my recipe because I know the struggle of trying to get it perfect, because nobody likes an overcooked chicken. I've been cooking since I was about 12 years old. I've cooked everything you can imagine and spent the last 13 years trying to perfect everything I cook. I will be explaining the ingredients and tools that will be needed, how to cook the chicken and clean it, how to bread it and prepare it, and how to bake it. Let's start with the ingredients and tools that will be needed. The best way to start a recipe is to make sure you have all your ingredients and tools that you will need for your food. You'll need to start with the star of the show, the chicken. Then butter, Ritz crackers, and the spices you want. You'll need a cutting board, a knife, 2 containers for the mixtures, a microwave oven, aluminum foil, and an oven-safe pan. Then you need to start by cleaning the chicken. Rinse it off, then you put it on the cutting board. I like to cut mine into 4 even-sized pieces. Once you have the chicken clean, you can go on to the next step, breading it. Now you need to get all your ingredients together. Melt the butter in one of the containers. In the other, mix up the broken Ritz crackers and the spices. I like to use onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, and salt and pepper. I also like to use the garlic butter flavored Ritz crackers. Take one of the pieces of chicken at a time, put it in the butter, make sure it's fully coated. Then put the chicken into the Ritz cracker mixture, make sure it's fully coated again, then you put it in your oven-safe pan. You will repeat this step with every piece of chicken until you're finished. Once you're finished breading it, you can move on to cooking it. You're almost there now. It's just the baking. You preheat the oven to 375. You cover the pan with aluminum foil. Then you set it in the oven for 45 minutes. You pull the chicken out, uncover it, and put it back in for 15 minutes. Once the timer goes off, the chicken is ready to enjoy. Now you'll be able to prepare and cook a perfectly crispy and juicy chicken. When will you be trying out this recipe? And there is a picture of the chicken.
Which is actually really good when she makes it, by the way.